Apparently the log method is supposed to fix all of my hair problems. We're not talking about trees, we're talking about hair, apparently. The log method stands for leave-in oil gel. I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much hate using oils on my wavy hair because it usually weighs it down. I honestly don't have a lot of faith in it. It's supposed to make your hair really moisturized. Before action, some roots right there. I'm from Kentucky, if you can't tell. Let's begin. Okie dokie. Now that we are ready for some logging, I hate myself. I'm telling you, it still feels so weird to just sit in front of a camera and talk. I've wanted to start YouTube for forever, but this still feels weird. Anywho, this is what we're gonna be using today. Some of these are my all-time favorite products. This oil, she's a new girl to me. She's new on the block. Garnier Fructis Curl Multi-Use Oil. This was cheap, affordable at Walmart, and silicone-free. Come on, buddy. You can focus. This is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. She's not new to me. And this gel, I freaking love this gel. This is Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel. If you want strong hold, I'm sorry, this is not it. While it is light hold, it still gives some pretty good definition, a little bit of a cast, and my favorite thing about it is that it's moisturizing, and most importantly for me, it does not make my hair more tangly. I'm going to start off with some leave-in. I should do a disclaimer that normally I do detangle in the shower with conditioner, but that's not what we're doing today. Still have my handy dandy trusted unbrush. This bad boy is my all-time favorite detangling brush, and I don't think I'll ever go back to another one. I love it so much. That's one side. I'll be right back. We are nice and detangled now. We're going to use some oil. I will be very sparing with this because, again, my hair is very easily weighed down. And from the time I did try this before, it's a little bit greasy. Honestly, I don't know if I even would recommend this oil, but I guess we'll find out. Oh God, that was not a little bit. Let me, hold on. Now we just have a few drops. It smells nice. I'm just going to glaze a little bit. And let's get some from the table that spilled. Just a little bit more. I'm only gonna put it from here down. Brush that through. And now it's time for the gel. Actually, no. I'm gonna brush style first. This is gonna be my very lazy version of brush styling. Sections are like just way too much effort for me. Kind of do these lazy like vertical sections up and back. This is the Bounce Curl brush, by the way. It does do a really good job. I rarely brush style because it's kind of lazy, but it does work well. Brush my bangs up. We have formed our curl clumps. It's gonna scrunch. My hair is feeling very moisturized. I'll give it that at least. If this does not turn out greasy, I will be truly shocked. I've never done this before. Well, we have some actually really nice looking clumps. If my hair still looks wavy after this and not straight, I'll be impressed. I say this all the time on my Instagram that we're not gonna rake it through and break up all of those beautiful clumps. So I'm just going to glaze it over. I hope my double chin was showing itself just then. Alrighty, I'm gonna use my towel one more time to just get out any excess product and water. I am gonna go diffuse, and my hair typically looks like 20 times better when I diffuse. 9 out of 10 times on a normal day, I just air dry, but I'm gonna go diffuse and I'll be right back. Let's do a little fun transition. Should we snap? No. Look at this. I have some thoughts. The definition. Did not expect that. This might be the most defined my hair's ever looked. Look, it looks like almost little curlies. The underneath is really curly. I cannot be the only one whose hair is way curlier underneath. So let's get a better view. I haven't even seen the back. Hopefully it's good. Let's do it up slowly. By the way, working on some butt length hair We're almost there. Here's my butt. Here's my hair. Definitely past my waist. Definition. She is a little frizzy. The only thing it is lacking is definitely volume. I mean, I guess, again, that's kind of to be expected. If you want big, floofy, fluffy hair, then really mousse is the way to go. I'm gonna put in a clip of what my hair looks like styled similarly, but with literally zero product. And by the way, if you don't know if you have wavy hair and you wanna find out and you don't wanna spend a single penny, go check out my other video, link down below. It has a full routine on how to figure out if you have wavy hair for $0 and zero products. Let me try and find a clip what my hair would look like on a normal style day. I'll leave it in a gel. I typically do have a lot more floof and volume. It's almost a little spaghetti-like. It's all right. Oh, it's probably better than I expected. Will it be a integrated part of my daily routine? Probably not. It's got its pros and cons. Let's just let that be the conclusion. Pro being definition. It feels super moisturized. I hear someone. Arla, what do you want to say to the people? And so this oil, would I recommend this oil? I mean, sure, yeah, it was super cheap, super affordable. It is a little bit heavy. I mean, it's good. It says hydrating oil. I would agree with that. First ingredient is sunflower seed oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil. Fragrance is fairly high up. Castor seed oil. It's got a few heavy ones in there, a few light ones. Probably like a medium weight. This is not, I would not call this a lightweight oil. What do we think? What do you think? The log. Do we like the log? If you like wavy hair content, smash that subscribe button. That's so cheesy. Please subscribe. I plan on making tons more videos about wavy hair specifically. I will see you next time. Bye. This is the love of my life. I'm gonna show you my view. This is my viewpoint. Filming. There you are. Look at this angel. Oh my god. Okay, you can stay there if you're good. Oh, the floppies. What the F are you doing? Ma'am, are you okay? Did you get hot? Oh my god. Oh, hey, be nice.